Hi, hello, welcome folks. Welcome to Lit Valentine. It's my pleasure to welcome you all once again to my channel. Today we are going to focus on many things, but don't get afraid. It's going to be very easy, guys. So let's listen very carefully. First of all, let's move on to the next slide. Topics discussed so far. So far, we had discussed many things in our video. First of all, let me tell you what are the topics we had discussed so far. First and foremost, we had talked about the foundation of modern European literature and Homer and his works, Sappho of Lesbos, about the Greek classical period, about Athens, development of tragedy, Aeschylus and his works, Sophocles and his works. Why I am telling you all these things? Because you have to know what are all the topics we are discussing now and what are all the topics we are going to see in the upcoming videos. So it will help you to recover everything and to make you to understand what are all the previous topics we had discussed, and you can able to search all these things in my previous videos, guys, so that it will help you to have a consistency while you are reading for the net exams. So that is why I am making these kind of shorts in my video. So with this, let's move on to the next slide. As I am telling you now, today we, the students and as well as the teachers or all the individual human beings, are much familiarized with the English words. But we all are unfamiliar with the words, certain things like idioms and some other things. So it is very necessary to use the different words in the day-to-day life. So let's see some of the idioms which can help you to improve your vocabulary in the upcoming days. As I said you before, don't memorize all these words. Insert, take notes of it and make use of it while you're reading or while you're speaking and writing. So it will make you to make familiarize with these words in your upcoming days. The first word is a dime of dozen, meaning something common. If you want to say that it is very common or it is something common, you can use the word a dime of dozen. The next word is a blessing in disguise. It means good thing that seem bad at first. If you want to utter good thing that seem bad at first, instead of using the same routine words, you can use these sort of words like idioms. A blessing in disguise. It will make you to have a strong attention among the common speakers, and also you will have the grasp of the attention among the speakers. So make use of these words in your day-to-day life. It will make you to stand unique among the entire people, and it will also help you to have a good fortune while you are taking the career as your professor or some other jobs. The next word is call it a day. It means stop working on something. If I want to say that I want to stop working on something, instead of using the same words which we are familiarized with, you can use the word like call it a day. The next word is easy does it, means slow down. If you want to say someone that please slow down, instead of using these words like slow down, you can use the word like easy does it. It is actually an idiom which has the same meaning, slow down. The next word is cut somebody some slack, meaning don't be so critical. So if you want to say that don't be so critical, you can use the word cut somebody some slack. Guys, I want to say these things because it will make you to have a good vocabulary, because many of us know English very well. But the problem is we are not familiarized with the words. So that is the major problem and that is the major drawback. If you want to give some kind of presentations even before your college students or in your office, if you are using these sorts of words, it will make you to have some attention among the speakers and the listeners. So try speaking these words. So it will make you to have a good impression among the speakers guys and among the listeners. So try use it in your daily day life. So if you want to know more words, you can see my previous videos, because from the beginning of my videos I am giving 5 idioms. So you can take and make use of it. You can take notes. By keeping a note, you can write all these words and make use of it while you are writing and speaking. So it will have a good time for you. So make use of it and watch the previous episodes, because in the beginning of today episode I had mentioned that the pre-cap. So what are all the things we had discussed so far in the English literature, especially for the students of NET who are going to take the exams and who are going to take the upcoming exams. All my videos will help you a lot who are taking part in the UGC NET and as well as in your college exams regarding English. So make use of it and learn from it. Please take some notes. So if you have any doubts regarding any topics in English literature or as well as in spoken English, you can comment me. So in the upcoming videos, I will post about it guys. So let's learn together and have a good future. So with this, let's move on to the next slide. I want to say a thing. In the previous videos, I had mentioned a topic called theorists and theories. So if you watch my previous episodes, I had mentioned five theories and who are the theorists who introduced that. So let me continue that topic today first. So the first person today was Johann Comenius. He is known for his theory, pictures. He had coined a theory called pictures. So Johann Comenius is a theorist. He is known for his theory, pictures. The second person is John Scumann. He is known for his theory, acculturation model. John Scumann is known for his theory, acculturation model. The third one is Tracy D. Terrell. He is known for his theory, natural approach. Tracy D. Terrell is known for his theory, natural approach. Richard W. Smith is known for his theory, noticing. John Ridley Stroop. He founded the Stroop effect theory. Charles A. Curran introduced the theory called counseling learning. The next one is William E. Mackay. He is known for his theory, immersion classes. Kenneth Lee Pike is known for his theory, tag mimics. The next person is Jeffrey Leach. He introduced a theory called 7 types of meaning. Next persons are Fillmore and Lakoff. They are known for the theory construction grammar. The next one is Sperber and Wilson. They founded the theory called relevance. J. Barwise and J. Berry is known for their theory situation semantics. Del Hymes introduced the theory called constructional grammar. Abercrombie introduced the established department of phonetics. Halliday is known for his theory, systematic functional grammar. Ferdinand de Saussure is known for his theory, structuralism. Umberto Eco is known for his theory of sign. Jean Piaget is founded the theory, cognitive constructivist. Howard Giles is known for his theory, accommodation. James Asher introduced total physical response. Lee Wolf is known for his theory, linguistic relativity hypothesis. B.F. Skinner introduced the theory called operant conditioning reinforcement. Thorndike is known for his theory laws of learning and laws of effect. Keith Morrow is known for his theory CLT paradigm. W.T. Littlewood is known for his theory authentic communication. J.R. Firth is known for his theory prosodic phonology. C.S. Peirce is known for his theory pragmatism. Ivan Pavlov introduced the theory classical conditioning and reflex. Grice is known for his theory cooperative principle implicatures. Lev Vygotsky introduced the theory called zone of proximal development. K. Ajdukiewicz is known for his theory categorical grammar. So far we had discussed all the theorists and for what theory they are famous for. So guys, if you watch my previous episodes, you can get altogether 50 theorists and the theory they are famous for. So please watch my previous videos, and today I had concluded the theories and theorist section. You can get to know about 50 theorists and for what theory they are famous. So you can get all these names. The purpose of this video is, guys, many of you feel the literary criticism and literary theory topics as a difficult one. So I want to say that it's not that much difficult topic as you imagine. If you watch my videos continuously, you can get to know little by little, and it will make you to have immense knowledge while you are concluding. So instead of doing reading of many immense things or bigger things in the starting stage, you can start reading little by little. So that made me to give all these small things from the beginning stage, so it will help you to have a rehearsal, and you can reminisce all these things while you are preparing for your exams. So read it from the beginning stage. So don't take it as a bundle and don't get suffer at the last stage. Instead, start reading small topics from the beginning stage. So it will have you to have a great future. So with this, today topic is about Aristophanes. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Here the spelling of Aristophanes is Aristophanes. So sorry for the spelling mistake. Please bear with this. And let me talk about Aristophanes. Aristophanes is a famous comedian who also created a powerful women character, and he also criticized Socrates, a great philosopher. Aristophanes written a play called Clouds. In that, he criticized Socrates as a sophist. He also written a play called Frogs because there was a chorus of frogs in that play, so it made the title. In Frogs, the king of merry and wine, the god of Dionysius, himself goes to Hades. So I am telling you the story of Frogs. Here, the king of merry and wine, we all know it is Dionysius. He himself goes to Hades. Hades means hell in Greek mythology, to bring back best playwrights. Why? Why he want to bring back the best playwrights? Because I said you before, Dionysus is going to hell to bring back best playwrights, because at this time there were no best playwrights and drama became very worst. So that made Dionysius, the god of wine and merrymaking, wants to go to the hell to bring back the best playwright. So this was the story of Frogs, the play written by Aristophanes. And here, during this time, there was a debate. Who is best, Aeschylus or Euripides? So in that, Aeschylus won the title, and he known for the father of tragedy. He calls as the father of tragedy. Remember that. The most interesting play of Aristophanes is Lysistrata. to see the story of Lysistrata. In Lysistrata, a war called Peloponnesian, that is Peloponnesian, happens. Men are creating the war and the women are considering that these wars are unnecessary. So they decided to stop the war. So they had stopped sexual favors to their men. So that is the medium and that is the key they had taken. So they had decided to stop the war by stopping sexual favors to their men. So it automatically stops the war. So this story Aristophanes is based on the real life incidents and the people. So this kind of comedy is called as old comedy. Aristophanes comedy and these sorts of comedy, the comedies which portraying the real life incidents and situations and people are termed as old comedy. Next, we are going to focus on Menander, who introduced the new comedy. Old comedy was introduced by Aristophanes and after that came new comedy. It was introduced by Menander. After that came new comedy. After that, in the sense, after old comedy came new comedy. It was by Menander. He wrote new comedies which not based on real life incidents and people but on stereotypical characters like slaves, pastors, wit and sparkle of dialogues were there. So old comedy of Aristophanes based on the real life events and the new comedy of Menander based on the stereotypical characters. So that was the difference between old comedy and new comedy. Here Menander's new comedy laid the foundation for comedy of manners. This genre flourished in the entire European history, guys. Comedy of manners flourished in the entire European history after the new comedy. Okay, so Menander's new comedy laid the foundation for the comedy of manners. Who are the writers of Comedy of Manners? It was Shakespeare. Later came G.B. Shaw, that is George Bernard Shaw. Then came Oscar Wilde. These writers are famous for writing the Comedy of Manners, the genre they had used very well in their plays. The high point of Comedy of Manners is the Restoration period. Restoration period, a major part in the development of Comedy of Manners. So with this, we came to the end of the session, guys. So get ready to know about the comedy of manners in a very detailed way in the upcoming videos, and let's wait for the new writer which I am going to focus on in my upcoming video. Make use of my videos and learn more, get immense unknown things, and don't forget to subscribe Lit Valentine. Share with your friends who are in need of learning, who are pursuing their career in net exams and taking their career as an English as a major. So share with them and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.